हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ मुस्कान। तो आज ऑलिव फूड का IBPS क्लर्क प्रीलिम्स का टेस्ट दे रही हूँ मैं, लाइव टेस्ट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। BR नहीं, HU नहीं, HO नहीं है, KT 9 and this are born either March April or May। मार्च अप्रैल मई, 2 मार्च अप्रैल मई 04, March April May 06। Dira was immediately before Dia. Das was born in year. Das leap year and was born this, 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 this. Das leap year and Das. Dia and Dina were born in same month. Dia, Dina. Dara was born immediately before Dia. ठीक है। Deb is youngest of all. Deb, Deb, and only one friend was Gina and Deb. Dina, और क्या है? Dara was born immediately before Dia है तो Dia and Dina same month. Dara immediately before Dia और Dina। दीनू, अरे दीनू भी है क्या? Confusing है। 7 this are kept for another 7 6 but 2 shirt Nike और Zodiac, Gucci immediately above Puma, Gucci। 2 shirt are Arrow, Nike। Prada is Adidas के below Prada। 3 shirt Arrow, Puma, Nike। 1 2 Zodiac, Arrow, Nike। 1 Nike, 1 2 Zodiac, 1 2 3 Arrow, Gucci, Puma और Puma Gucci और 3 shirt Arrow and Puma। 1 2 1 2 shirt Nike and Zodiac, Gucci is kept immediately above Puma। 3 shirt Arrow and Puma है। Two shirt Arrow and Nike, 3 shirt Arrow and Puma। is immediately above Uchi. 5% अभी 1 2 3 4 5 अनु अनु 1 2 3 4 5 आदि अभी 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 sitting left of Anu. Nima is exactly Riva Rosa. Rosa is sitting to the left of Siri. Siri is not sitting. Ram is sitting to the left of Abhi. 9. No manager. Some assistant manager. And their assistants. Some blues are not purple. ठीक है. All blue can be indigo. Some vessel are not mug. Some vessel not mug. नहीं है. All vessel are mug. Vessel either. Must start from point M and walk to 4 kilometer M 4 meter north, then he turn right, walk 4 meter and then turn right and walk 2 meter and then he turn left and 5 meter and then he turn right and walk 2 meter to reach N. What is shorter distance M or N? 4 5 7. Increasing order. GS, SGS, GT, GT, US, George is junior to Joyce. Joel is not. Joel हानि आएगा. 3 people. Josh. Josh 1 2 3 Joyce. John is immediate. John. And US नहीं आएंगे. यहाँ नहीं आएंगे. An odd number of people are senior to Josh. Josh 1 1 2 3 Josie 1 2 3 1 2 3 Josie. Josie के नेक्स्ट हो जाए Joey John Joey John Joey John Joey John और Josie is not junior to JS. चेक नहीं होगा. And Joes Joes के नीचे Jake. Joy यहाँ नहीं है. Joy यहाँ चलेगा. Who is the senior most among all? John. क्या बचा है? जैक. ठीक है. और जोई एंड जेक. जोई 1 2 3. Who is US? Joel. मुझे junior to STS Joey. Jet. P Q R S T C D E F G H I L I G. If all the odd digits followed by even digit are dropped. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Odd, even are dropped, then how many would be the next one? repeat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 as many to the left of 5 5 these are 4 rice for that are arranged as the how many distinct words can the respective code be determined? Kid, EC तो नहीं होगा EZ E J N E C EZ EGG point. EZ भी है यार EJ होगा EJ FU fruit IV SVEJ back he is married to Q Q has one sibling S is जो है nephew है R का T is a grandfather of S T is married to U who has two children ठीक है V is a son-in-law of U V does not have son जो है से how are related to T if T has only one daughter then which of the following will be the father of S Q Q भी तो हो जाएगा P is married to Q and Q has one sibling B is related to Q brother-in-law 9 friends Dev was born immediately before Diva and both were born in the same year. Diva immediately before Diva. Diva. Dev immediately before Diva. Dev. And both were same year. Dara immediately before Dia. Dara immediately before Dia. Dara, Dara, immediately before Dia. Das was born in leap year and was born in, ठीक है, Dia and Dina were born in same month. Dia और Dina were born in same month. Dev is the youngest and only one friend, Dina and Dev. March, April, Dev is youngest of all, and one friend is born, Tina and Dev. Das was born in leap year. Das was born in leap year. Das, Das. Tina and Dina. Dia. Dia and Di. Dia. Dia. Dara was born immediately. Dara immediately before Dia. Dia and Dina were born in same month. Dia. Dia. Dara immediately before Dia. They was born immediately and were both in same year. Deva. Dara immediately before Dia. Das was born. Dia and Dina same month. They were youngest. Dinu and Dia were not in same year. Dinu and Dia. Dinu oldest. They Dani. April 4 were born in leap year. Dev, Deva, Dara. अब ये लीप ईयर में ना दीना, दिया, दिया, दिया है, दारा तो नहीं है, दिया है, दिया. Who among the following were same month as Deva? Deva, Diya और दास. मार्च 2004 दिया. ये रह गई 29. कंफ्यूजिंग था इसमें. नन ऑफ द above आएगा. आईवी का है नहीं. एस आईवी नॉर्थ एट लिस्ट लास्ट किड बेंच माउस पॉइंट तो नहीं आएगा. ब्लू बैकलिस्ट ही हो सकता है. ब्लू बैक एस वी ब्लू बैक ईजे वेस्ट. English for the first time. Impoverished, poor, analysis of language splendid. Insufficient, dearth है. Paucity shortage है. Erratic adequacy. They can stop grocery. They can stop grocery system. The bookstore, the grocery shop can sustain. Content education, long distance is long distance education still continues to exist. Convenience bypass routes and pe- convenience bypass route and loss. People bypass rules and laws for their convenience. Let's see. Maybe and the world is full of people with unique character. The world is full of people with unique character. Bottle, the plastic bottles. My grandfather bottles mango pickle during. Most of their bottles are won by crystal clear strategies. Most of their bottles are won by crystal clear strategy. Bottles per second. Bottles nine. The distance between the two teeth was 1 foot. Takashi stabbed her toe, causing pain to shoot up through her foot. The plotted to put the wealthy merchant mention. Darpa is particularly interested in a self-growing material that it can use to assemble structure in remote desert areas. Uh, particularly material assemble is particularly interested in a self-growing material that it can use to assemble structures in remote desert areas or potentially even in spaces. And as an errand, select the appropriate option, taking into account all the responsibilities and amount of work I am liable to and I am not able to get around to calling her back. Our ground teachers, our in the opening weeks of World War One, aerial reconnaissance photography and wireless radio had stripped out of the cover of distance and terrain that armies had traditionally used to clock themselves. In the opening weeks of World War, aerial reconnaissance photography and wireless radio had stripped out the cover of distance and terrain that armies had traditionally used. The government was doing its best to surpass the sensitive information. Surpass karna to suppress the sensitive information. The scam has been brought about to the public by a freelance investigative. The scam has been so through नहीं brought out. Brought about happen होता है. Frame खोल के सामने रखना. Far from supernatural rigorous patterns, PD gain power generalizations or machine learning gain its suiting from the sort of generalizations that we human can understand or apply. Lethargic A is troubled. When we communicate with another person, the emotional side of our brain takes precedence over the logical side and unconscious prejudices emerge almost instantly. The airline industry is facing one of its toughest ever period with many carrier on the brink of the higher we go in the we have to make a general plan. He imagined himself gripped the vehicle as Shobha turned around to dash the children juice. He had no authority of eating those meals, and yet there they were recorded in her neat proofreader. Recorded in her neat proofreaders. Her neat proofreaders transfer. The software launched last month has a dash which the company cannot resolve. Has a bug. She panicked when she saw a software Python. Can anyone tell the reason for why our dash grew larger in dark room? पूछा होगा शिवनाथ. For the first time, live researchers have proven जो multi-age bioengineering है photosynthesis के increase yield of major food crop in field trial. After more than a decade of working toward this goal, a collaborative team led by the University of Illinois has genetically altered soybean plant, increase efficiency of photosynthesis, resulting in a greater yield without loss of quality. Result of this magnitude could not come at a more crucial time. Most recent UN report state of food security and nutrition in the world found that last year nearly 10% जो world population थी hungry थी, a situation that has been steadily worse हो रही है over the last few years and eclipsing all other threats to global health. According to UNICEF, by 2012, more than 660 people are expected to face food scarcity and malnutrition. Two of the major causes of this are insufficient food supply and harsher growing conditions for crop due to climate change. Improve access to food and improving the sustainability of food crops in impoverished areas are the key goal of this study and the RIPE project. Realizing increased photosynthetic efficiency or RIPE is an international research project that aims to increase global food production by improved photosynthetic efficiency in food crops for smallholder farmers with support from Bill and Nation Foundation for Food and Agriculture Research and the UK Foreign Commonwealth Office. The number of people affected by food continue to grow, and projections clearly show that there needs to be change at a food supply level. Rasi type project our research show एक effective way contribute करे food security for the people who need it most while avoiding more land being put into production. Improve करना photosynthesis is a major portion to gain the need jump later. Which of the son of food is scarcity, insufficient food chain, and harsher growing condition. Increase in crop yield due to ठीक है trans genetical alteration of double bean plant to increase the efficiency of photosynthesis resulting in greater yield without loss of quality. नहीं तो गलत है. Second third crop yield remains stagnant. बढ़ेगी. According to which of the following is the key goal of Life to help UNICEF find an alternative to eradicate malnutrition food? To harvest the ग्लोबल फूड प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करना, हार्नेस नहीं टू इम्प्रूव सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ food crops, find an alternative for food crops, of food crops. A RIE program tried to help the farmer of um, Sub-Saharan ठीक है. RIE program work in the support of Foundation for Food and Agriculture Research ठीक है. RIE which of the following is required to change the trajectory of the number of people affected by fertilization project. Dara is particularly interested in a self-growing material that it can use to assemble structure in remote desert area or potentially space. Like a particularly interested self-growing material the distance between ठीक है. She stubbed her toe causing pain to shoot up through her foot. Proof readers next section are in proportion to -6 plus 2 5 ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ये वैसे ऑप्शन का A plus B plus C 12 A 16 B 40 10 2 30 2 3 2 3 5 5 हो गया 3/4 5 18 market price MP 125 125 price 1125 1125 and the seller क्या निकालना है हमें सेलिंग प्राइस 10350 round term 2112011 110 220 0 440 1762880 0 880 3512 1762 05 ये गलत है लास्ट 543464 9 79 537464 3 4 73 537456 1 81 81 हो रहा है 531456 5 75 ठीक है 531452 9 79 दोनों हुआ 452 लास्ट वाले गलत है 34 बढ़ गया 11308764 5 10 254 254 154 0 and 11308764 4 254 226 8 28 इसमें गड़बड़ है 876 में 82 65 17 सो 882 19 19 45 120 25 ये गलत है 19 120 -1 -8 -26 64 125 27 से गलत होगा ना 1 8 27 1 1 मिनट 9 आएगा ना ये 9 356 347 347 321 6 226 321 257 4 ये तो ठीक है एक ये 8 होना चाहिए 350 कहाँ गया 356 6 तो नहीं है 347 होगा S is 14 year younger than R S R minus 15 R जो है 10 year older than T ratio of S T 2/3 what will be S or T R space 4 space 5x 10 15 R 25 क्या बताना है R और T 40 और प्लस 20, लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर लेंथ ब्रेड 4 7 is the area of rectangle 28x square 8474 121 7 into 4 into x square 847 4 4 by 7 होगा 7121 x is equal to 11 by 2 into square. So it's this easy वाला है. Find out what is the ratio of number of people who travel through Ola in May and July. May में है 84 and July और ऊबर मार्च और मई. ऊबर मार्च 96 मई 64 10 160 number of people who travel through Ola and Uber in June 76 90 616 then who travel Ola and Uber in May 64 84 74 83 74 24 1 90 74 1. What is the difference between number of people who travel through Uber in June and July? Uber June and July 66 67 68 14 and the number of people in Ola March or July March and July Ola 70 है ना 72 प्लस 15 डिफरेंस निकालना है ना. The number of people who travel through Uber in April 84 and July का Uber 60 68 12 152. What person who travel Ola in the same month? Ola April 60 April and July का Ola 72 2 13 20. पंद्रह 16 5 rate of interest for 4 year and beyond is this 64 and next 21 6 126 64 and 3 साल के लिए 12 7 14 16 262 45 10 1 3 13 4 2 8 0 1 1 7 0 minus plus 51 17 3 का 11 चाहिए 17 और 6 माइनस 17 प्लस 6 7 2 130 2 10 20 20 13 प्लस 20 प्लस 13 ये बड़ा इससे y minus 77 11 7 सात माइनस इक्वल है ये बड़ा है इससे 11 water purchase first drying water this case 37 plus 7 minus 3 21 21 7 ये बड़ा इससे equal क्या कह रहे होते the average of the phone number do A is 3 by of D, P and C is 6x, BB, CB 6x, 12 8 equal to 4 do this. Average phone number A is 3 by 5 of D. Okay, B and C 120% of D. 6x, 6x, 12x, 8x, 20x. पॉइंट में है 12 41.2 exact 5 x minus x square is equal to 89 89 6 2 2x plus 11 into 256 out 32 32 11 2 3 2 3 2 5 3 28 16 8 4 12 4 16 8 2 14 352 6 9 96 40 40 into 80 50 4 12 2 x minus 2 into 9 is equal to 126 minus 64 दो 6 80 75 x percent into 56 58 30 28 2 पचास 1/3/10 इंटू 70 21 प्लस 520 73 21 2 5 10 90 माइनस 14 12 168 प्लस 5 95 3 7 73 तो है x minus 1/5 into 30 is equal to 24 minus 6 5 5 1 x minus 1/5 into 24 into 1/4 6 5 1 आ जाएगा अरे हाँ 6 + 6 आ रहा 12 होगा A B 5 8 कंप्लीट हो गया टेस्ट